What's going on, everybody? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And now this pin you see right here in my hand is very important. Now, why is it important? I write down my goals every single morning in this notepad because I think it's very important to turn, subconscious ideas of things you may want to do into physical reminders. By writing it down, it becomes more of a reality. And over time, you're gonna progress, and eventually you'll be able to check that goal off the list and move on to the next one. But anyways, one of the goals that I write down here every single day, every single morning in this notepad is that I want to have my students generate over $10 million in sales this year in 2019. And now you want to be able to do that without them cutting the learning curve and advancing to where they want to be at and being successful and generating profit. So when I first started, I was failing. I was falling on my face. I had no idea really what I was doing. I was just sort of trying. There weren't that many channels out there on YouTube to watch. I didn't know what to search up, what to look for, what I needed to learn. And because of that, I lost thousands of dollars. I had to work jobs that I really didn't want to work. Not actual jobs because I wasn't 16, but mowing lawns and cleaning cars and things like that. Things that involve labor and are very time extensive that aren't really enjoyable. For some people, it may be fun, but for me, it wasn't fun. But I knew that my end goal was to be successful in e-commerce, and I wasn't gonna be able to do that without having any money or capital to pay for ads and actually learn through trial and error, or pay for courses or anything to help me cut the learning curve. So back to cutting the learning curve, I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram already, you know about the mini course I created. It's completely free, by the way, before we get into more details, but I've been working on this free mini course, 5-day training, exclusive stuff for 2019. By the way, excuse the mess, we're moving out of this house. But I put together a free 5-day training because I wanted to help people cut the learning curve, to help them learn and get to where they want to be with some new 2019 strategies without having to spend a bunch of money for mentorship or the course or whatever. So I'm super excited to release that, so you can check it out. It'll be in the description below. But I'm doing something bigger and better than just the mini course. So everyone gets the mini course. That's a done deal. It's free. You get it. Check it out. I'm not asking for anything there. You go, you click the link, you get it over the next 5 days. You'll be sent all of those videos. But one thing I'm doing, I'm super excited about this. I've never done this before. I'm doing a giveaway. Right now, I'm in Miami, sunny Miami. I love it out here, one of my favorite cities. But what I'm gonna be doing for one of you, if you check the link below, there's gonna be a giveaway link. And what I'm doing, I'm flying one of you here to Miami with my Facebook ads team for 3 days straight. I'm gonna put you up in a nice place in downtown Miami. You're gonna have city views, all that stuff. We're gonna train you for 3 days straight. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, you're intermediate, you're advanced, either way, we're gonna help you level up. So for one of you lucky winners, you check the giveaway link below, you opt into the giveaway, you're gonna be able to get the free course automatically, and then you're gonna be able to opt into the giveaway, get points. Whoever has the most points is gonna be the winner, and second place is gonna get 3 one-hour calls with me directly for mentorship, and third place is going to get Next Generation E-commerce for free, my extensive program where I've flown in multiple 7-figure earners to teach about what they do and how they do it. So if you wanna come to Miami, learn from me and my team for 3 days straight, I'm super excited for this. I wanna make this like a repetitive thing where I do this in multiple cities. I do it in Los Angeles, Chicago, Dallas, Texas, wherever. I go to these places and I fly people in, I fly my Facebook ads team, and we learn together and help each other grow. So if you wanna be a part of that giveaway and you want the free mini course, it's all free to enter. Check the link below. You're gonna be able to get in. I'm super excited. This learnwithtanner.com. Go check it out, and hopefully I'll see you there. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. It's sort of hot out here, so I'm gonna go back inside, get some work done, and I hope to see you guys in the mini course. Feel free to let me know what you think in my Instagram DMs or on the YouTube comments if you like the course, whatever. But have a good one, guys. Peace.